So as promised, here is a quick informational video about how to use this new feature called lesson plans. Now, some of your teachers were using it last week. You may not have realized it, but most, if not all of your teachers should be using this feature this week. I know I'm using it, so that is what I'm going to show you. I've already, from this student's homepage, I've already clicked into their algebra class. So when the portal first opens, you're going to click on our Algebra 1 class, and it's going to take you to my home page. Now, right here at the top, next to where you see class page, you see the words lesson plans. So we're going to click on lesson plans. Pay no attention to the student at the top of this page. And right here is where your lesson plans can be found. So you'll see this is last week's information. The dates were 3/27 to 4/03. So you may not have known, but all of your work was right here in lesson plans last week. And now this week is, of course, week 3. So April the 3rd through April the 10th. You can see the dates. Now you can see underneath this week 3 unit, there are 3 assignments for you. So I just want to walk you through at least one of these. When you click on the actual lesson, here's what's going to drop down. You're going to see the overview, which for me will just be the title of the lesson. As you scroll down, you will see the activities for this lesson. Okay, you're going to be watching lesson 9.5 on YouTube and filling in your notes. All right, there's the information about printing out your fill in the blank notes or just doing them on notebook paper again. And again, there's the information about texting me a picture of your filled in notes through the Remind app. All right, once you have done that, then you also have a homework assignment. Homework to be done after watching lesson 9.5 on YouTube. And right here below activities are your digital resources. There's a link to my YouTube channel where you can watch the lesson. There is a link to Big Ideas Math where you're going to go find the homework assignment mentioned above, and then there is a link to the fill in the blank notes that you can print out from the Word document. So it's all right here together underneath lesson 9.5. Now there's one other way you could get to my links. Right here where it says view next to the assignment, if you click on this little icon, this box is going to come up. There's that description again, but look right here. There's the link to the lesson on my YouTube channel, and there's a link to the Word document for your fill in the blank notes. So there's a couple of different ways inside of Lesson Planner that you're going to be able to get to my links and my documents. All right, but everything that you need for lesson 9.5 is right here in one spot. All right, you've also got lesson 9.6, which is going to look much like 9.5. And then I have also created a lesson for optional Zoom help class. Now here's the awesome thing about this. I have been emailing you the link to the Zoom meeting, but with this new feature, not only have I added it as an activity so that it shows up on your calendar, if you are still going to be using the calendar view, this Zoom activity will still be there. But look at this, in digital resources, you can click right here on the Zoom button, this first one, and you're going to go directly to our Tuesday Zoom help class. And for the Thursday, you're going to click on this second Zoom link, and that's going to take you directly to our Thursday Zoom help class. So instead of having to copy and paste the links and waiting for an email from me, you're just going to be able to come here into Lesson Planner and find the links this way. All right, so remember, once you click on our algebra page, class page, you will see at the top lesson plans, and it will bring you to these awesome lesson plans. And keep in mind, we are on week 3. Week 2 will continue to show up, but it's last week's work. So focus on week 3. If you have any questions, email me or text me. Have an awesome week.